Hey everyone! A few years ago I made a video of cardboard marquee letters, but I decided to upgrade and now I'm going to show you how to make them out of wood. For the materials you'll need wood letters, globe string lights, a drill with a drill bit, acrylic paint, a paintbrush, and a pencil. First I removed the lights from the old cardboard letters. Then mark where you will need to drill into the letters with a pencil. Then it's time to start drilling the holes. I had to do a little trial and error with the drill bit size, so filming started a little late. Then paint the letters. Let them dry. After that, pull all the bulbs from the lights. This part is optional, but my holes were a little too big for the lights, so I had to hot glue them in. Then replace the bulbs. And that's it! It took a little bit of time, but I think they turned out so much nicer than the cardboard ones. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.